expert Michelle Phillips is back to share her weekly beauty tips with an emphasis on how beauty begins, this throws me here, with your mindset.
So I love those soaps. They smell just fabulous.
They really do.
If you guys could just smell, we smell the vision. I always say that.
Our dear friend, Michelle Phillips, she is back with us, the beauty guru. We were talking with her a little bit. I caught her on national television last night. She was on the list. Michelle is all over the place, and we're excited she's got some time for us today. I'm watching you on TV, but you're always giving good tips, and that's our conversation when we see you. It's like, okay, Michelle, have you heard of this? Have you heard of this? I mean, it's like cram as much as we can into a short amount of time.
We all want the best beauty products when it comes to our skincare regimen and beyond, especially if it's going to
improve the overall tone and texture and reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We spoke to celebrity makeup artist Michelle Phillips, who shares 3 new beauty trends making their mark in the self-care and wellness world of beauty.
Well, if a staycation is your thing, there is a new treatment in spas that's so popular because it actually is helping to lift and tone the skin on the face and neck. Celebrity beauty expert Michelle Phillips joins us today to show us how it works.
Professional facials with ultra high-tech treatments are all the rage in the beauty industry, especially microcurrent therapy. Why? Well, microcurrent therapy is known for lifting, toning, and tightening the face. And now you don't have to go to an expensive spa to get a microcurrent treatment. The Bare and Bare Mini by Foreo are the world's first FDA-cleared at-home medical microcurrent devices that deliver premium skincare results.
What Keranique is all about is not only helping you look beautiful, but really helping you feel confident again, because when you lose your hair, it's your hair is your crown of glory. But the star of the show is the regrowth treatment. And what you do is use this every single day, twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So I use it here, just a couple pumps right here. I tap it in, then I use it in my part area. Then you can use it in the back of your hair. Wherever you feel your hair is thinning, tap it in. And what's happening here is that our follicles are actually asleep, and that's why they're not producing hair anymore. So this regrowth treatment actually wakes up the hair follicle, so you start to regrow hair again. Once you do, and you continue
to our beauty expert, Michelle Phillips. You don't have to max out your credit card to get good skincare products. The tough part, though, is figuring out which of those many skincare products actually deliver results. This is kind of a carryover from last week's segment, right? We talked makeup and how to save on makeup. I'm glad we're talking skincare because that's one of the most important.
Yes, and a lot of viewers and friends of mine, they reach out and say, what should I buy? This is what I'm looking for. This is what I need help with. And so I try to direct them to the most affordable products. And then you can spend more if you need to for specific target areas on your skin. So I brought along the ones that I think are good.
I like this. And there's some that I recognize, and hopefully you recognize as well at home. We're going to continue this. In the meantime, where can people go for more information?
Oh, go to my website, michellephillips.com.
Good stuff. If we can look like Michelle, we're all winners.